Welcome to my channel. Low mileage engines versus junkyard engines, which one should you buy? Alright, let's talk engines. Specifically, low mileage engines versus junkyard engines. Which one's worth your cash? Yeah, I've been there. Scraping through options, wondering if you're about to make a huge mistake. So, low mileage engines first. Less wear on pistons, valves, and all the moving bits. Usually tested, sometimes even warrantied. You buy one, bolt it in, and chances are it runs like a smooth start, no weird noises, no oh crap moments after a week. Now, junkyard engines, well, they're a mixed bag. Some are fine. Some? Total nightmare. Could have hidden problems, burnt oil, compression issues, maybe sitting for months or years. Yeah, you can get them cheap, but cheap comes with risk. And let me tell you, that risk usually hits your wallet later. Here's the thing, ask yourself what matters more: budget or peace of mind? If you want the engine to last and avoid late night trips to the garage, low mileage is your safer bet. Junkyard? Only if you know what you're looking at, or if you're good with a little gamble. Check the details. Engine codes, compression, service history if you can. Don't just eyeball it. Pictures online? Cool, but not enough. And never skip warranty if it's an option, it's your safety net. Bottom line, low mileage engines are predictable, reliable, and less headache. Junkyard engines are cheap, risky, maybe fine, maybe not. You pick what you're ready to deal with. Alright, that's it. Keep it smart, don't gamble blindly, and your car will thank you. Oh, and yeah, do your homework before locking the engine for yourself. Thanks for watching.